Hey guys, welcome to Angelo Blocks. We're gonna play Offroading Land. This this copied of car suspension test. This looks like car suspension test. Wait. Wait. This is my favorite car. This is nature mode. Nah! What? Bro threw up the air. Bro just flew. Nah. Bro's glitching. Ow, my uvula. I'm gonna spawn my favorite motorcycle car. This is my favorite motorcycle. Nah. Bro. Nah, bro's under the water. Let me get out. Let me get out. Let me get out. Fine. Motorcycle. This is my favorite motorcycle. This is the future. I think this is the futuristic motorcycle. Nah. Bro, I am turning. Nah, there's a motorcycle drivers. Bro, this is the dead end. Oh yeah, this is not. There's a ice divers. Ice divers for no reason. Ready? Or stop. Nah! What? How did he do that? Stop learning. Nah. Cave divers. Wait, bruh, not a motorcycle divers. Fine, let me spawn. This was my favorite car. Wait. cyber truck. Bro, sounds so weird. Why some cyber truck is so quiet? Why so quiet? Skibbity toilet. Nah, Kira. Nah, skibbity the. Not a fart sound. What is the crawler? Air balloon? How is this a car? How about if you get out? What if you go there? Nah, where's the air balloon divers? Air balloon divers for no reason. Bro, air balloon divers for no reason. Let me know. Bro, I can't even control. It's so hard. It's so hard when it's upside down. Let me know. Nah. Bro, why is it? Bro, let me put it back. Nah, get out. What? Nah, it's Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Christmas. Nah, why there's a boat car? How bro drive on the land? How bro drive on the land? It's supposed to be a water. Oh! I got flinged. Bro, how did I get flew? Why the map looks like a face? I mean a mouse. Nah, how did I pass through? How did I pass through? What is the white one? Nah, a tank? World War III started. Bruh, why did I get cave divers for no reason? Nah. Chicken banana core. Chicken banana. Bro, this tail is disturbing me. Wait a minute. Why there's a train car? Why there's a train car? It's supposed to be on rails, not on the land. Only cars on the land. It's supposed to be a rail. Nah! Blue Horizon funk be like. Bro, swim. Dead rails. Imagine this is dead rails.